Hey friends, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger, and if you're new here, I am a full-time fashion and clothing seller on the Poshmark platform. I sell clothing for a living online. I have been doing it since 2015. I love sharing my journey here on YouTube, also on Instagram, which is at Empty Hanger. And today I have one of my favorite things, which is a haul video. So I went thrifting at a bunch of different places and I found some great items that I am super excited about. And you're gonna see it is a ton of graphic tees. I hit the jackpot. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you can tell by my shirt, I love graphic tees, especially band tees, and I love to sell them. They're also really on trend right now, so if you're outsourcing, definitely check out the t-shirt section. But yeah, I'm gonna go through everything I picked up. It's a pretty good variety, and I also let you know what I think I'm gonna be listing the items for, so prices, but keep in mind it's an estimate. So when I do these haul videos, I'm just going through and off the top of my head, guessing what they're gonna sell for based on my years of reselling experience. But I might actually list it at a different price when I sit down to list, because that's when I look up similar listings and I will decide what price it is then. So if you want to see the prices that I actually list items for, if you want to check out what it looks like in my Poshmark closet, I have that linked down in the description box below, so you can check that out. But without further ado, let's get into the haul video. The first item that I have is this beautiful, colorful floral printed top. It's got like a tiered effect, and the brand is De Segal, which De Segal, I believe they're from Spain, but they always have this really cool printed pattern stuff, and it does pretty well, so I'll probably list that at $35. Next is a graphic muscle tank. So it's got the super deep cutout arms, and it is a Michael Jackson graphic theme, which I thought was fun. It is by the brand Bravado, which does a lot of graphic tees. I'll probably do $30 on that one. I loved the print on this top. It's by Denim & Supply, Ralph Lauren, and it's got a great tribal Aztec print. And what's really unique is this gorgeous beading on the shoulder. So it has a lot of embellishments, but it again is that kind of raw cut muscle tank style. So I will probably list this one around 30 or 35. I like this brand. I haven't found it in a while, so I was excited. Okay, and then this top is kind of a paisley floral print mix. It actually ties across the front, and it's got little cap sleeves, and it is by Rebecca Taylor. It is a size 8. I'll probably list this blouse at $35. Her stuff retails for a lot, but it doesn't always resell for a ton, but it is great quality. And then this shirt I've actually sold a few times in another color before. It's a super oversized graphic tee. It's got this huge like swing hem, and it's very distressed looking. The brand is We the Free by Free People, and I'll list this at $35. Okay, this next one I was super excited to find. I actually found 3 by this brand, and the brand is called Daydreamer. This particular t-shirt was a collaboration with Free People, and it's a great vintage looking Rolling Stones graphic. It does have some wear and pilling. You can see it's really common with this thin fabric, but I think it'll still do well. They retail for like $70 or $80. I'll probably list it at $35. And then again, this is that same brand, Daydreamer, and it is a David Bowie theme. This one's in a little better condition. I'll probably list that at $35 though as well. And then the final one that I found by this brand, Daydreamer, is a Woodstock theme, and this one's more of a sheer burnout material, so it's a little bit thinner. They are so soft, like I wish you could feel them. And then that has the graphic on the back. So again, $35 on that one. More graphic tees. It was so hard for me not to keep any of these for myself, but it's a Grateful Dead one. It is by Junk Food, one of my favorite graphic tee brands I mention a lot, and it's kind of an oversized fit. It's got these really loose sleeves. I'll list this one at $35. And then the next ones are gonna be men's t-shirts, but I definitely think that women can wear them. Obviously, they can be a unisex fit. And this is a Johnny Cash one, and it's burnout material again. And then it's this kind of record themed graphic on the front. It's super soft as well. I'll probably list this one at $35. Most of my graphic tees I start at $35, depending on condition and everything else as well. And then this one's Def Leppard. I've never seen this one before. It's got this really cool graphic on the front, and there's actually no tag in it at all. I measured it. I think it's a small, but I'll just put the measurements in the listing and let people know, but $35 on that one. And then Rolling Stones, we have this one with the classic logo on the front. Again, super soft, $35. This shirt I was really excited to find. It's got this really cool John Lennon graphic on the front, and it is seriously so soft. The brand is Trunk Ltd. Trunk Ltd is, again, another one of my favorite t-shirt brands. This line retails for a lot as well. It does have a small hole in the back. There's a couple other little holes, but with t-shirts, especially band tees, I think it kind of adds to the look. I'm probably going to list this one at $35 as well, maybe a little more just because they retail for even more. And then this shirt is a cool dip dye ombre finish, and it is a Boston tour tee from 2015. I think the back, yeah, the back has the dates on it, so I'll list that at $35. And then the final graphic tee is a Guns N' Roses size small unisex fit, kind of raglan baseball style shirt. So it has these raglan sleeves, the baseball kind of style, and it does have a small stain on it. It's very faint. I couldn't get it out, but I am going to list as is, and I think it will still sell for around $30, $35. Okay, on to the non-graphic tee items. The first one is a Show Me Your Moo Moo top. I've actually sold this shirt before. It's a size small. It's just a plain black tunic. It's a longer length, which I think will go great with some like printed bottoms. So I can't remember. I think I'm gonna list that at $40. This shirt is a silk printed top, and it's got clouds on it, and it is by Maeve from Anthropologie, one of my favorite Anthropologie brands to sell. And the back has this cool zipper, little contrasting detail, so probably $35 on that one. I talked about this in my last haul video, Lucky brand plus sizes. They do very well, and I always pick them up, and I really liked the print on this one. It's got a contrast at the sleeves and also the hem, and I'm going to list this one at $35. Okay, this brand I like a lot. I find it occasionally. It's got a mark through the label, which is fine. I'll just disclose it, but it's Tolani. And Tolani, they sell it at Anthropologie, but they also sell it at a lot of high-end places. It retails for $100 and something, this tunic top, and it's silk. So it's great quality, and I just love the design and color. I'll probably list this at $50. This brand I had never heard of, but I saw this embroidery and these cute pom-pom details, and it looked like really nice quality. So the brand is Rahi Kali, and I looked it up. It looks like it's selling for, you know, this brand around like $30 to $50 depending on the style. And this is just a really fun open front jacket. So it's a cropped jacket. It's hard to tell because it's black, but it ties with these tassel ties in the front. It's 3/4 sleeve, and then the embroidery is again on the back. So I think I'm gonna list it at $45. It's great quality, and I love it so much. I think it's so fun. Okay, next is an athletic jacket, Z by Zella, which I was talking about Zella in my last grandma thrift haul because I really like the brand, and I hadn't found it in a while. This has some great ruching detail on the shoulders, and it's black, and it's practically brand new looking. So I'll probably list this at maybe $35 or $40. And then on to a cardigan, a Splendid, which doesn't have the best resale value, but it is great quality. And this is a classic piece. So it is a black waffle knit, if you can see the texture. So it's like that thermal material, open front cardigan. So it's that waterfall, open front. It's got pockets down here, and it also has a hood on the back. And this thing looks brand new. It probably retailed for like $100 and something. I'm gonna list it, I believe, at probably $40, $45 on that one. Okay, and then on to the next item, which is from Victoria's Secret, if I can get the label. So this is a Victoria's Secret, it's a size 10. It is a linen romper. So I really like selling the Victoria's Secret swim cover-up type of things. They sell pretty quickly, and I really like the coral color. It's got these great roll-up sleeves. It buttons down the front. It has the smocked elastic drawstring waist, and it's just a great classic piece. I'll probably list this at $40, and it's in perfect condition. Okay, the dresses that I picked up, this is a super fitted bodycon style tank dress, and it's got spaghetti straps. When I saw this print, it looked really familiar, and that's because my grandma sent me a corset in this exact same print, and it's also by Betsy Johnson. So this is a Betsy Johnson collection dress. It's a petite, which is an extra small, so the P is extra small. What I love about this dress is the back. So if you can see right there, it's got these two ruffled layers on the behind, and that's a bustle. So it's really fitted, and then it has this fun bustle on the back. So I think that will be really fun. I'll probably list that at $50. And then the next dress that I have it hanging kind of weird, but it's actually a halter style dress, and it's printed very soft, stretchy material, and it's an athletic style dress, which I always pick up the athletic dresses with the built-in bras. They do really well, especially in the summertime, and this one is Patagonia. So it's a Patagonia size medium, and as you can see, it has that built-in bra. I'll list this at $35. The last dress that I found, I cannot believe I found this brand. So if you look at it from the front, it is a long sleeve mock neck black dress. It's a very thick, almost scuba material. It's got that stretchy, thick knit, and I saw the tag hanging NBD, which NBD, this brand is a super high-end, trendy brand. They sell it at Nordstrom, but also on Revolve. So I love the website Revolve because I learn about a lot of brands that way. So I just look at their brand list and their styles. But look at the back of this dress. It is so unique. It is totally cut out and open, and it almost looks like a bra from the back. It's got this great cutout detail, and then it closes there. It also has the hook and eye closures at the back of the neck, and then, you know, it's got that skirt. So NBD, this is what the tag looks like. If it wasn't new with tags, you would see this tiny little tag inside. But this brand does retail for probably like anywhere from $150 to $250. I'll probably list this at $100. And then I did find one men's shirt that I picked up, and it is Jam's World. So Jam's World is a very like beachy Hawaiian brand, and it was funny, I actually saw they did some pieces, or Urban Outfitters sold some of their pieces on their website, and it sold out really fast. So anyways, I picked this up because I love the fish print. It's just a button down, lightweight material top. I'll probably list this at $40. And then on to jeans, which are the last things that I picked up for clothing, and this pair is Madewell, which is one of my favorite denim brands to sell. Madewell jeans on Poshmark sell super fast. These are a high-rise skinny jean and a great wash, and they are in excellent condition. And then this pair of jeans, they are a patchwork boyfriend embellished jean. They roll up at the bottom, and the brand is Cabby, which I've talked about before. I do sometimes pick up Cabby, and this is the older label, but I've sold this pair of jeans a few times before, and I'm gonna list these at $40 or $45, and they're size 14, so that's great. They're just a really fun jean. And then the next and last pair of jeans that I picked up are a straight leg style, and they are Melissa McCarthy for $7. So she has a collaboration. They are plus size 16W, and I didn't actually ever pick up this brand before, but my grandma sent me a pair one time, and they sold like within a week for I think $40 or $45. So now when I see them, I pick them up. I picked up one pair of shoes on this trip, and they are these LL Bean boots, and they are a lower profile boot, and they are men's. They are a size 12. Made in the USA. Look at the inside, even the outside. These, honestly, I don't think they have ever been worn. I don't know how much these retail for, but I'm going to price them pretty close to retail, maybe 75% off retail, just because they are pretty much brand new. So they're just saving a little bit of money ordering through me. And then I have two belts. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love my leather belts. This one I thought had some fun details. It's a leather covered buckle, and it's got all this tooled detail design on it with some painted accents, and here we go. It's not a brand, it's vintage, I believe. It's made in the USA. Oh no, it is a brand. It's Chambers, but honestly that doesn't matter as long as it's genuine leather. I'm probably gonna list this one at $35 or $40. I haven't sold one like this before, but I really like it. And then the next one that I picked up has this enamel buckle, and then again, it's also tooled leather. So with belts, I always make sure they're leather. Those just do better for me, and it's got this floral design. And this one is actually by Gap. So you can see here, it is Gap jeans, size small, but again, genuine leather. I'll probably list this one at $35, and I just love picking up belts. They're really hard to find retail, I think, when I'm looking for a cool belt. So I like to give that option in my Poshmark closet. Thanks so much for watching my most recent thrift haul. I hope it was helpful for you to see some of the items, maybe get some keywords, ideas on pricing. Let me know down in the comments below your favorite item, what you would have picked up if you saw it out in the thrift store. I love doing these hauls on YouTube. I have done some smaller ones on Instagram. I used to do those all the time, but it's nice to be able to really go through the items with you. So please thumbs up if you like this video, if you like watching my haul videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.